There are a lot of people out of work and looking for their next job opportunity. And the only way you're going to win that opportunity is by standing out from the crowd. And one key to standing out from the crowd is by clearly communicating the results that you've delivered throughout your career, because that's going to be reflective of the results you can bring to this next role that you're looking for. I'm Ken Schur. I'm a career coach and executive coach. And oftentimes I see on resumes or in LinkedIn profiles or during interview or networking conversation practice that people confuse responsibilities with results. Consider this statement. I'm responsible for increasing sales in a territory that covers 3 states. Now, that statement tells me what you're supposed to do, but it doesn't tell me how well you did it, and it certainly doesn't even tell me that you did it at all. But if you were to change that statement to say, I'm responsible for sales in a 3-state territory, and I've increased sales by 12% in each of the last 3 years, that makes a difference. You see, that first statement could be written by anybody and could be put on their resume, or they can talk about it in an interview. But your results are unique to you. So look at your resume, look at your LinkedIn profile, consider your interview answers. Do they include words like resulting in, leading to, with the outcome of? If they don't, there's a good chance that they're pretty generic and anyone can use them. But if you have those words in there, that is what's going to make you stand out from the crowd. So take the time to review your work, and if you'd like to talk to me about it or would like an objective opinion, feel free to reach out to me at ken@schurcoaching.com or look at my website at schurcoaching.com. And I've included a link attached with this video where you can sign up for a 14-day program to help you through all the steps of the job search process that'll lead you to your next opportunity. Thank you, and I look forward to speaking to you soon.